You don't need more motivation. You don't need another hype video. You don't need someone yelling, "Let's go." What you really need is discipline, because discipline will do the work when motivation disappears. Let's get real. Motivation is a mood. Discipline is a decision. Motivation shows up when things feel good. Discipline shows up when nothing feels good. That's the difference between wishing and winning. Everyone feels motivated on day 1. Everyone's fired up when it's new, exciting, easy. But what happens on day 10? When it gets boring? What happens when it's raining, you're tired, and no one's watching? That's where most people quit. But that's where the disciplined begin. You think successful people feel motivated every morning? No, they just don't make excuses. They show up anyway. They lift the weight anyway. They write the plan anyway. They keep their promises, especially to themselves, because they understand something most people don't. Discipline is freedom. Freedom from regret. Freedom from laziness. Freedom from being controlled by your feelings. See, motivation is based on emotion. Discipline is built on commitment. Motivation is loud and fast. Discipline is quiet and consistent. One fades, the other forges you. Discipline is the reason your heroes succeed. It's why they built the body, why they mastered the craft, why they stayed in the game when everyone else dropped out. It wasn't because they always felt like it. It's because they decided they were going to do it, no matter what. That's power. That's ownership. That's how greatness is built. Anyone can work hard when they feel good. The real test is this: can you work hard when you don't? Can you stay focused when you're stressed? Can you show up when it's inconvenient? Can you keep going when there's no applause, no audience, no dopamine? Because that's where the separation happens. That's where the winners are made. Not on the podium. In the silence. In the shadows. In the early mornings and late nights when no one's watching, but you still show up. And here's the truth. If you only move when you're motivated, you'll never move far. But if you move with discipline, you'll go further than you ever imagined. Motivation will lie to you. It'll say, you deserve to rest. It's okay to skip today. You've done enough. But discipline will remind you, you're not done yet. You're building something bigger. This is what success requires. You don't rise to the level of your feelings. You fall to the level of your habits. And discipline is what builds those habits, brick by brick, day by day. It's not sexy. It's not flashy. But it's what wins. So the next time your mind says, let's skip it, you say, no, we don't skip. We show up. The next time you hear, you're too tired, you say, we do it tired. The next time you think, I don't feel like it, you remind yourself, I don't need to feel like it. I just need to do it. That's the mindset of champions. That's how records are broken. That's how empires are built. One disciplined action at a time. No hype, no shortcuts, just consistency. So don't chase motivation. Build discipline, because motivation might get you started, but discipline will finish the race.